In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect your domain to Hubspot. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and look to the top area of your screen for the settings icon. Click that settings icon to open your account settings. This is where Hubspot keeps the tools for connecting domains and managing how your website and email work with the platform. Next, go to the left sidebar menu and navigate to Content, then select Domains and URLs. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct section, because this is the exact place where Hubspot guides you through connecting and verifying your domain. Once you are on the Domains and URLs page, move to the top right corner and click the button that says Connect a Domain. Hubspot will now ask what you want to connect the domain for. Choose email sending, then click Connect. This ensures Hubspot can authenticate your domain so your marketing and transactional emails have a better chance of landing in inboxes instead of spam. After that, you will see options to connect services. Check the boxes for website or email based on what you want this domain to handle, then click Next. If you are connecting this specifically for email sending, make sure the email option is selected so Hubspot generates the correct DNS records for authentication. Now type your root domain into the field provided. Your root domain is the main version of your domain, without extra paths. Enter it carefully, then click Next. A small typo here can cause verification to fail later. Hubspot will then provide CNAME records for you to add to your DNS provider. Copy each CNAME record exactly as shown, and then open a new tab to sign in to your DNS provider where your domain is managed. In your DNS settings, paste the CNAME values into the correct fields. Make sure each record name and destination match Hubspot exactly, and save your changes. Finally, return to Hubspot. DNS updates can take some time to propagate, so wait a bit if needed. Once you believe the records are live, click Verify. If verification does not pass right away, give it a little more time and try again after the DNS changes have fully spread. And that is all there is to it.